Today's topic is importance of spices and in national economy. The spices are very important, especially to India, as India is known as land of spices from a very ancient times. The plantation spice cardamom, Eleutheria cardamom, is a wonder spice, the house of which is India for many centuries. Cardamom has been cultivating the senses of man all over the world. It is a spice which can go well with anything edible, as is a natural mix of agreeable taste, slightly pungent aroma, and pleasant flavor. No wonder this unique spice rules as the queen of spices. Cardamom was an important foreign exchange earner next to black pepper until mid 1980s. This unique plantation spice thrives mainly in the western Ghats across Kerala, Tamil Nadu, and Karnataka. In India, this spice is used particularly in payasmas, biryanis, and in variety of other culinary preparations. An Indian housewife who spends a lot of time in the kitchen preparing appetizing food knows the value of spices. Each spice has its own peculiar taste. They are commonly spoken of loosely as spices, spice seeds. Modern uses of spices, spice seeds, and herbs are legion. Their judicious use brings a delectable distinctive aroma and taste to a host of dishes. Their essential oils are as flavoring components of a number of extracts, and they are employed in perfumery, cosmetics, toilet preparations, hair oils, toothpastes, toilet soaps, and tobacco. The Western countries who mostly use tinned or pre-cooked food do not depend so much on spices as Indians do. Spices constitute an important group of agricultural commodities which were used for flavoring and are the main ingredients for many tasty food. People have used these plants since earliest times. No other commodity has played more pivotal role in development of modern civilization as spices. The trade in spices is one of the oldest and at one time one of the most important forms of commerce, like the trade of silver, gold, and slaves. Spice trade connected many different civilizations and helped the growth of global contact. The demand for spices was the key in expanding world trade. In an expanding world, fortunes were made, battles fought, and countries conquered for the sake of these plants. The need to supply European markets spurred explorations, culminating in the extraordinary voyages that resulted in the discovery of the New World and demonstrated that the globe could be circumvallated by sea. The desire to control spice sources took the British to India, the Portuguese to Brazil, the Spanish to Central and South America and the Philippines, the French to Africa, and the Dutch to Indonesia. Even today, we depend on spices and herbs for many of our newest medicines, chemicals, and flavors, and they are also used in cosmetics as well as in perfumery. The current global production of spices and condiments is estimated at 8.5 million tons, valued at $25 billion, with developing countries as the primary production and the industrialized world as the main importers. Thank you.